Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add phone field in registration form in default WordPress form. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to add phone field in default WordPress registration form using plugin. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write profile extra field by best websoft. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see profile extra field and then you see multiple options. So click on add new, then you see edit field, so you can add name, type, length, description, properties according to your requirement. So we added name, phone, and then you see type, text field. If you want you can use this. Now select, and then you see multiple options, and then you see phone number. Now select, and then you see pattern. Please specify a mask which will be used for the phone validation. Now you see, so this is the default pattern, static, replace with number, and then you see hyphen we are using. So you can add pattern for phone number according to your requirement. So you can use static, hyphen, bracket and plus. So we added this pattern, static replace with number on form field, hyphen, again 3 static. Now you see, and if you want you can add description, and then you see field property, available, editable, visible. Now you see, now select for all. So you can do setting according to your requirement, and then you see required, yes, and then you see required symbol, show by default in user data, enable, always show in user data, enable, always show in user registration form. So this is our main option. So we are going to show this phone field in default WordPress registration form. Enable this option and then scroll down, you see field order, and then click on save changes. Now you see the field has been created. Go to default form. Now refresh the page, and then you see register button. So click on it. Now you see username, email, phone, and then you see when we hover on it you see format. So user can fill this form and then click on register. So you can add multiple fields in default WordPress registration form. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.